Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all of you are doing well by the grace of Almighty. Welcome to our virtual classroom. This is Mamunur, Rashid, English lecturer of Addhapak Islam Academy and College. Today, I have come here with a very important lesson to share with you, which is narration. I will discuss what is narration and the classification of narration with giving an example and 5 things that we need to change while doing narration. Okay, without any further delay, let's begin. What is narration? Narration means a conversation between two or more persons. A short conversation between two or more persons, or to describe something. Narration or speech can be divided into 2 parts, direct and indirect. So a narration can be direct speech or a narration can be indirect speech. Indirect speech, how a direct speech? How? Usually a direct speech contains. This is the example of a direct speech. Rana said to me, I am here. Okay. And while it is converted into indirect speech, Rana told me that he was here. You can see that there are a couple of changes in indirect speech. So while converted to direct from indirect, we have to keep in mind that we have to change at least 5 things while doing direct to indirect. Okay, so what are the 5 things? Here I have already written in the board. First one is you have to change the reporting verb. Reporting verb. What is reporting verb? Reporting verb. Said. Said is a reporting verb. Reporting verb. Here is a reporting verb, and the subject of the reporting verb is Rana, and the object of the reporting verb is me. Okay. Reporting verb will change. So we have to change the reporting verb, form of the reporting verb. And next we have to, number 2, we have to change inverted comma. Inverted comma, what is inverted comma? Here is inverted comma. Here is the inverted comma. And in the inverted comma, we can see there is a speech, and the speech is called reported speech. Reported speech. So we have to change the reported speech. 5 things that we need to change while doing direct from indirect. We have to change the reported speech and each parts of the reported speech. Okay, so have a look. Number 1, we have to change reporting verb. Reporting verb. Said will be told. First things, number one, first things we need to change. Said will be converted into told. Okay. And the second things that we need to change, inverted comma. Inverted comma. We have to remove inverted comma while converted to direct from indirect. With that, with subordinated that. Okay. Then we have to change the person. We have to change the person in the reported speech. You can see there is a person, first person. We have to change. Here you have to keep in mind that in reported speech, first person indicate the subject. First person here indicate Rana, the subject of reporting verb, and if there is a second person, then it will mention the object of reporting verb, me, if there is a second person. Okay, and if there is third person, there will be no changes. Okay, let's see. So person, we have to change the person. First person indicates the subject, and that's why we have written he instead of I. Okay. Then we have to change the tense and verb of the reported speech. We have to keep in mind that we have to change the tense of the reported speech. I mean, if there is present indefinite tense, that will be converted into past indefinite tense. If there is present continuous tense, this will be converted to past continuous tense. If there is present perfect tense, they will be converted to past perfect tense. If there is present perfect continuous tense, that will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. And this is how we have to change the tenses. So this is an example of present indefinite tense. So this will be changed. This will be converted to past indefinite tense. Okay. And the number 5, the last of the sentence, we have to and next one is and. If we give the number 2, we have converted to inverted comma, and number 3 we have to convert it person, and we have to change number 4, that is tense. M will be converted into past tense, that is was. Okay, and this is the M is the main verb of this sentence, and here is the adverb. Therefore, time and place. We have to change the adverbs that are related to time and place. I mean, here would be there, here would be there, yesterday would be the previous day, and tomorrow would be the next day or following day, and today would be that day. Okay, and now would be the then, and these are the adverbs that we need to change while doing narration. Okay, so these are the 5 things that we need to change in narration. We have to keep in mind these 5 things. If we remember these 5 things in narrations, we will never mistake in narration. Okay. So this is how a narration can be solved. Rana said to me, "I am here." Rana will be saying, and said will be converted to told in assertive sentence, and interrogative sentence said will be converted to asked, and in imperative sentence the said will be converted to ordered, requested, according to the speech. Okay, and the object will remain same, and the inverted comma will convert it to that, and it may vary according to the subject, according to the sentence structure of the reported speech. Okay, in interrogative sentence we may give if or WH question. In imperative sentence we have to put down 2 plus B1, and others we have to remove inverted comma with that. Okay, then we have to change the person. I replaced to he, and the tense, present indefinite tense, here you can see the am would be was, and the verb that we changed already here, there, now, then, yesterday, the previous day. So that is how a narration can be solved. This is the end of the class, and next class I will discuss narration in details. Thank you.